You're going to want to disconnect that negative battery terminal first, then isolate it so it can't touch the battery terminal. Then move on over to the positive side. Next, we're going to get this hold down and the blanket out of the way. One battery out, one battery in. Reinstall your blanket and your hold down. Ensure that your terminals are clean. Reinstall your positive side. Reinstall your negative side. There might be a little spark, that's okay. And you are all good to go. Thank you for watching.